Today our topic is subtraction, means minus. First of all, we will discuss properties of subtraction. First property is, if we subtract 0 from any number, then answer will be the same number. Example, 99,206 minus 0 is equal to 99,206, the same number. Second property is, if we subtract a number from another number and both the numbers are same, then answer will be 0. Example, 99,206 minus 99,206 gives 0. After discussing properties of subtraction, now we'll proceed to subtraction. Till now, you have done subtraction up to 5 digits, means up to 10,000. In this class, you will learn subtraction up to 7 digits, means up to 10 lakh. Here we will take one example. Subtract 37,80,608 from 90,78,309. Here we will write 90,78,309. Now we will place another number. While placing another number, we have to keep these things in our mind. We have to place ones under ones, tens under tens, 100 under 100, 1,000 under 1,000, 10,000 under 10,000 number, lakh under 10 lakh, and 10 lakh under 10 lakh. So here we will write 9 0 6 0 8 7 and here 3. Here we will put sign of subtraction. Now in ones place we can see 9 is here and we have to subtract 8 from it. We will get 1. 0 in tens place and here also it is 0. So 0 minus 0 gives 0. In 100 place we have 3 and we have to subtract 6 from it, which is not possible. So we have to borrow from next place, which is 8. So from here we will borrow. It will become 7 and here it will become 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 0, 7. Now in 10,000 place we have 7 minus 8, which is again not possible. So we will carry from next place. But here it is 0. So we will move to next place from 9. We will take it from here. It will become 8 and here it will become 10. Now we have to borrow towards next place. So it will become 9 and here it is 17. 17 minus 8, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. And 8 minus 3, 5. Right. Here our answer is. We will write answer 52,97,701 means 52,97,701. Right. Now we will take another example. Subtract 45,70,680 minus 6,37,986. Question can be written in this form also. So first we write this number 45,70,680 680. Again we will start from ones. 6 ones, then 8, then 9, 7, 3, 6. Now we will put the sign. Here in ones place we have 0 minus 6, which is not possible. So we will borrow from here. Here it is 8. It will become 7. And here it is 10. 0 plus 10, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 8, which is not possible again. So we will borrow from next place. It is here 6. So it will become 5. And here it will become 17. 7 plus 10. 17 minus 8, 9. Now we have 5 minus 9, which is less than this number. So we will borrow from next place. Here it is 0. So we will move to next place, which is 7. We will borrow from here. It will become 6. And here it will become 10. Because we have to borrow from here, so we will borrow from 10. It will become 9. And here it will become 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now we will proceed to next number. 5 minus 6, which is again smaller number. So we will borrow from here. It will be now 3. And here it will be 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. And then 3. Here our answer is 39,32,694. So children, these are two examples which I have discussed. I hope you understood it very well. Now I give you a worksheet to do practice. This is worksheet which you have to do. See children, in mathematics, practice is very, very important. Practice makes a man perfect. So do practice. These are 4 questions which you have to do. Okay? Thank you.